Okay, I ordered this from Amazon. It's a pacifier holder, and it came from a company called Channellitte. I got it from my daughter. It's a dragon. Oh, it comes in a cute little bag. I was buying some other kinds at some of the big box baby stores, and they kept falling apart, or the string would cut off the binky and break it. And we use this Nature Suit and Pacifier, which I buy on Amazon. It's the only place I can find them, and this part kept getting pinched off and cut, so I thought I'd try something different. So it comes in a little felt cloth bag. Oh, comes with a little free pacifier. That's cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, here is little dragon. He is sold as unisex online. I'm intending this for my daughter, who's 16 months. Oh, he's super soft and fuzzy. And he's of a light material. I kind of worried with the binky holders that they would be too heavy, but he's super light. And then he just Velcros open. Okay. Perfect. All right. There he is, dragon pacifier holder.